Scholars, we're going to take a look ahead at what's coming with the rest of our lesson for this week. So now we're going to make some connections, and then you're going to explain your thinking on the next couple slides. So here, number 2, look ahead. It says place value can help you add or subtract decimals. You add 25 and 393 thousandths and 24 and 138 thousandths to find Mateo's total time. That's what we just did on the previous slide. You can subtract 24 and 138 thousandths from 25 and 393 thousandths to find how much faster Mateo swims the first lap than the second lap. A. What do you need to do before you can subtract the digits in the thousandths place in this problem, and then explain. So on the next slide, you are going to explain how you would look at this subtraction problem and answer the question, what do you need to do before you can subtract? So before you do any math, before you can do any subtraction, there's something that you need to do with regard to the thousandths place, which is this place all the way at the end here. Okay, so look at the problem. It will be on the next slide on your open-ended response in Nearpod for you to explain what would you do before you subtract. And then after that, you'll get an opportunity to go ahead and subtract to answer that question.